Amphibians and fish. Hi everyone! Today we are going to learn about amphibians. Amphibians! Some examples of amphibians are frogs, salamander, toads. So what makes amphibians? Amphibians are vertebrates, and the word amphibians means two lives because they live least the first part of their life in water and the second part on land. Amphibians have moist skin and they start their life in water. Amphibians born with gills and fins to help them breathe and swim in the water. Then something interesting happens as they grow. They go through a change called metamorphosis and grow lungs and legs to breathe air and walk on land. An amphibian's body is divided into a head, a trunk, and legs. Some have a tail like newts and salamanders. Others do not have a tail like frogs and toads. Most amphibians hatch from eggs laid in water. The young frogs and toads are called tadpoles. Tadpoles live in water and breathe through gills. Look at the picture. Frog life cycle. Amphibians breathe air through their lungs and skin when they are adults. Some live on land and others live both on land and the water. Look at this picture. It's cute, right? All amphibians live in humid areas. Adults eat plants and other animals like dragonflies and flies. Amphibians move around by walking and swimming. Fish. Now we are going to learn about fish. I'm going to talk to you about another group of vertebrate animals, fish. Fish are vertebrates. The fish are aquatic animals that can live in fresh water or salt water. They are oviparous. That means they are born from eggs. Their bodies are divided into a head, trunk, tail, and fins. They have fins to move around the water, and they have a tail at the end of their bodies, helping them to swim easily. As you can see, their bodies are covered with scales. Fish breathe through gills. The gills are on either side of the head. Fish eat algae, insects, or other fish. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoy learning about amphibians and fish. See you later. Take care. Did you know the golden dart frog is the most poisonous frog in the world? Its poison can kill between 10 and 20 people. The frogs swallow their food whole. Frogs have long tongues with sticky ends. Tuna can swim at speed of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Fish have gills that extract oxygen from water around them. Vocabulary: salamander, salamander. Frog, frog. Tadpole, tadpole. Fish, fish. Gills, gills. Scales, scales. See you soon. Take care.